Hello everybody, I'm Mallory and I am here today at the Byron Airport, which is actually really close to where I'm from, Discovery Bay. And we are here setting up, getting ready to do our gender reveal. We didn't want to do your typical balloon popping or cake cutting, so I was actually flying home from Australia, and while on the airplane thought, well, my dad does know somebody who owns a jet team. Why not see if we can pull that connection and do a flyover?
Bringing them out now. Flight control.
The Patriots Jet Team are the largest civilian-owned aerobatic jet team based out of Byron, California. They perform air shows all across the western U.S., similar to the Blue Angels.
Left one now. Forward down now.
Today we chose the airplane behind me, which is similar to rainbow colors, to represent and sort of be the theme for our reveal, because this is actually a rainbow baby that we are expecting. And for those of you who do not know what a rainbow baby is, it is a baby that is born into the world after you have lost a baby. So we experienced that last year and are happy to say that this will be our rainbow baby. And a saying that has been said about a rainbow baby is that it is the rainbow after a storm. Today we are expecting our family, some of our closest friends. My daughter Layton is definitely hoping for a little sister, and she has already named the baby Cupcake. So, and she will not let us name the baby otherwise. And my son obviously would love a baby brother, but he is very convinced that this is another little girl, and he will be a great big brother no matter what. But the baby is actually due 2 days before my son's birthday. So he's kind of like, if I have to share my birthday, at least let it be with a boy.
We got a light one. We got hydraulic pressure. Guys, we're going to go right up here to the right.
We are very, very grateful and blessed to have such an opportunity to have the most epic gender reveal ever.
Yeah, let's do it, baby.
I know that everyone here today will agree and can't wait to see how it turns out.
Hello, Lance and Mallory. It is our pleasure, the Patriots Jet Team, in honor of your celebration of your new one coming in to the new world. We're really excited about it, and it's about time to reveal if it's a boy or if it's a girl. Again, our pleasure, and here we go. Stand by, and we're going to start pumping a little bit of blue, a little bit of red. 3, 2, 1.
A message for this unborn baby: we cannot wait to meet you. You are loved more than you already know, and you have a big brother and big sister who are so excited to meet you. On behalf of Lance and myself, we want to give the biggest thank you to Randy and the entire Jet team, his crew, and whoever is here today helping to make this event possible.